Welcome to Tungal online classes. See students, see the next question, question number 16. So what is the question number 16 is integral of 4x plus 1 by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. Integral of 4x plus 1 by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. So see that question students is in the form of, it is in the form of, what is the original form is integral of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. So it can be converted into the form of, what is that? The first step you have to take px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Then we will calculate a and b values. Then we will follow the remaining steps. Okay. So this is the form you are going to use here. So first we will take the solution here. So first let px plus q is equal to px plus q. What is the px plus q here? 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 is equal to a into derivative of 2x square plus x minus 3 plus b. So a into derivative of denominator plus b. So under root value. So that implies 4x plus 1 is equal to a into derivative of x square derivative is 2x. So that is the 2 into 2x is nothing but it will become 4x plus x derivative is 1. 3 derivative is 0. So plus b. X square derivative is 2x, 2x into 2 is 4x, x derivative is 1, 3 derivative is 0. So that is equal to 4x plus 1 is equal to multiply with a, it will become 4a into x plus a plus b. So in this case I have to calculate a value and b value. So how to calculate a value and b value here? So first I will take that. Compare x coefficients. Compare the x coefficients on both the sides. What we will get that. So what is the x coefficient in the LHS is 4. What is the x coefficient in the RHS is 4a. So 4 will be cancelled. That implies a is equal to 1. What is the a value? A value is 1. Similarly, what I will take that, next I will take that, compare the constant on the both the sides. Compare the constants. So what is the constants here? So compare the constants. So what is the constant here students? 1. So that is equal to, what is the constant on the RHS side is a plus b. So a value is 1. So that implies 1 is equal to a value is 1 plus b. So that implies 1 will be cancelled. B is equal to 1 minus 1. That implies b is equal to 0. So that meaning is here, sir, you are getting the b value is 0. So here that meaning is you have to take 2x square plus x. 2x square plus x derivative is 4x plus 1. So that's why you are getting the b value is 0. The derivative of the denominator is numerator. Or understand that? This is the important question. You have to understand that. You can do in easy method also. Okay. So that is the 2x square plus x minus 3. Derivative is 4x plus 1. Okay. So see in the next step what is that? Therefore 4x plus 1. Therefore 4x plus 1 is equal to a into 4x plus 1 plus b. So that meaning is 4x plus 1 is equal to a value is 1 into 4x plus 1 plus 0. Sir, 4x plus 1 is the 4x plus 1. Why you are changed that? Why? Because in this particular problem, the derivative of 2x square plus 4x minus 3 derivative is 4x plus 1. That's why you are getting this one. Or understand that? I will tell you in the second method also. Okay. So first see that one. 4x plus 1 can be written as 1 into 4x plus 1 plus 0. So then what we will take that? Let I is equal to integral of 4x plus 1 by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. So that is equal to this 4x plus 1 you can return, nothing to prove that, you have to take that directly. So what I will take that, put 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. So what happens? Differentiate with respect to t, 2 into x square derivative is 4x plus 1 minus 0 into dx is equal to dt. That implies 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So take the problem here. Therefore, I is equal to integral of 1 by root t into dt. So what happens? 4x plus 1 into dx. 4x plus 1 into dx value is dt. So root of 2x square plus x minus 3 value is t. So it will become integral of 1 by root t into dt. So I am already given the formula. What is that? Integral of 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 root x plus c. 2 root x plus c. So integral of 1 by root t integration is nothing but 2 root t plus c. So that is equal to 2 into root of, what is the t value? T value is nothing but 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. So see that question, students? Sir, if you can start here, if you identify, if the problem is started, if the problem is given, if you can identify that carefully, 2x square plus x, derivative is 4x plus 1. If you can observe that one carefully before starting the problem, if you can understand that, then you can start here. So for these type of models, actually you have to start in this model. For every problem you can't get like this. Okay, so that's why what we have to do that one, these type of problems, px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. For every problem you can't get like this derivative. The derivative of ax square plus bx plus c is not px plus q into dx for every problem. I understand that. So for this particular problem it is happened. Okay, so that's why what you are started that, what is the original process is, I am started that one actually. So what is that one? Px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So just to differentiate this term, 2x square derivative is 4x, x derivative is 1 plus b. So multiply with of a and compare the coefficients of constant and x coefficients, you will get a value and b value and substitute in this equation. 4x plus 1 can be written as a into 4x plus 1 plus b. Or understand that? So you can split like this one. So in this particular problem you are getting b value is 0. In this particular problem you are getting b value is 0. So what I am observed that if b value is 0, meaning is it is in the form of f dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. So that's why what I am started that the denominator, another root value you are taken as a t. And I take the derivative, it will become 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So 4x plus 1 into dx value will become dt. So take the problem, I is equal to integral of 1 by root t into dt. So that is nothing but the 2 root t plus c. Or understand the students? So in this particular problem only you will get like this one. Okay. So if the problem is given, you have to understand that if the denominator derivative is in the numerator or not. If it is not, you have to follow this step. If it is there, you can do this like, okay. So see that one, see the next question. See the next question, question number 17. So see that question number 17. Integral of x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Integral of x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So this type of problem. So see that one question, students. X plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. This type of problem we are already did. See the question number 7. So without using the form, I am completed that question. But here we are going to use that. So what is that form is here. So x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1. So how to solve that one? It is also in the form of. So you have to understand that this is the form of integral of, once again, px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So what I am told that one? Put px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus d. So this is you have to take. So see the solution. So first we will take that, let x plus 2 is equal to a into derivative of x square minus 1 plus b. So that implies x plus 2 is equal to a into derivative of x square minus 1 is a 2x plus b. So first what we will take that, compare x coefficient, then 1 is equal to x coefficient is 2a. So that implies a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Next what we will take that, compare constants. Compare constant. What is that one? That is the constant. 2 is equal. What is the constant in this RH side? B. So that implies therefore B is equal to 2. So then x plus 2, therefore x plus 2 you can written as a is nothing but 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2. So x plus 2, what they are saying that you have to written in this form. Okay. So then let I is equal to integral of x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. X square minus 1 into dx. So that is equal to integral of x plus 2 you can written as 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So in the place of x plus 2 you have to written this one and separate the terms. What we will get that? Therefore that is equal to, that implies I is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of 2x by root of x square minus 1 into dx plus 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So automatically the problem is divided into two parts. Okay. So here what we will take that one for this. Take this is the equation number 1. Take this is the equation number 1. So in this equation, this part I will take it as I1. Let I1 is equal to, what is the I1? Integral of 2x by root of x square minus 1 into dx, and let I2 is equal to integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So this is the I2 and this is the I1. So I will separate the integrations and I am taking the separately. Okay. So for this one, what we will do that, put x square minus 1 is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, x square derivative is 2x minus 0 into dx is equal to dt. So that meaning is 2x into dx, it will become dt. 2x into dx, it will become dt. Therefore, what happens? Therefore, I1 is equal to, therefore I1 is equal to integral of 1 by root t into dt. 2x into dx, it will become dt. Root of x square minus 1. Root of x square minus 1, it is root t. So what is the integral of 1 by root t into dt? That is nothing but 2 root t. I don't take the c value. Okay. So at the end, I will take in the final answer integral constant 2 root t. So that is nothing but 2 into root. What is the t value? T value is nothing but x square minus 1. I1 value is that. Okay. So next I2. What is the I2 value? I2 is equal to integral root of 1 by x square minus 1. What is this value directly? Integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 is log mod x plus root of x square minus 1. I don't take the c value here also. Okay. I will take the c integral constant in the final answer. Okay. So therefore, this is I1, this is I2. This is I1 and this is I2. Therefore, I is equal to, what is the I value? 1 by 2 into I1 plus 2 into I2. What is the I value? I is nothing but from 1. What is that? From 1. From 1, I is equal to 1 by 2 into I1 plus 2 into I2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the I1 value? I1 value is nothing but 2 into root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into, what is the I2 value? Log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Compulsory you have to write on the c here. Okay. So what happens? This 2 will be cancelled. You will get that root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into log of mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. So see that question, students, how to do this type of problems is. So first what we have to take that x plus 2 is equal to a into derivative of x square minus 1 plus b. X plus 2 is equal to a into x square minus 1 derivative is 2x plus b. And take the coefficients, x coefficients and the constants. You will get a is equal to 1 by 2 and b value is 2. After getting this, how can you written this x plus 2? X plus 2 can be written as a value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2x plus b value is 2. So take the I is equal to integral x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. X plus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Separate the terms. So 1 by 2 into 2x by root of x square minus 1 into dx plus 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Take that equation number 1. Take that equation number 1. So in this integral, so two terms are there. I will calculate the two terms separately. So take this one first. This value is nothing but integral I1. I am taking that I1. Integral of 2x by root of x square minus 1. X square minus 1 derivative is the 2x into dx is equal to dt. So automatically I1 will become integral of 1 by root t into dt. integral of 1 by root t into dt. So similarly, this is the direct formula. 1 by root of x square minus 1 is a log mod x plus root of x square minus 1, and these two values substitute in this equation 1. From 1, I can be written as 1 by 2 into I1 plus 2 into I2. So I1 value is 2 into root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into I2. I2 value is log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c, and 2 will be cancelled. You will get the answer is root x square minus 1 plus 2 into log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. All are understood, students? So see that question. So these type of questions, a number of questions are there. So this is the model. This is the model. Okay. So you have to do that. Okay. So see that question. See the next question. Question number 18. So see that question, students. See the question number 18. Integral 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. Integral 5x minus 2, integral of 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. So see that question, students, how to solve this. So see that. So first we have to understand that what is this form is. This is in the form of integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So what you have to take, put px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus d. So this is the form you have to apply, the same model. So see that question, students. So we'll see the solution. So first what we will take, that let 5x minus 2 is equal to a into derivative of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. So that implies 5x minus 2, that is equal to a into, what is the derivative of this? This is nothing but 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into x square derivative is 2x plus b. So that implies 5x minus 2 is equal to, multiply inside, 2a plus 3 into 2, 6ax plus b. 2a plus 3 into 2, 6ax plus b. Okay. So compare the terms here, students. Compare x coefficients. Compare the x coefficients. So what is the x coefficient here? 5. What is the x coefficient in the RHS? 6a. That implies a is equal to 5 by 6. What is the a value? A value is 5 by 6. Similarly, we will take the constants. So what is the constants are? Compare the constants. So what we will get, that minus 2 is equal to, what is the constant in the RHS? 2a plus b, or constant. 2a plus b is the constant term. So that implies minus 2 is equal to 2 into a value is a 5 by 6 plus b. So you can cancel that 3 times. That implies b is equal to minus 2 minus, take this down to this side, it will become minus 5 by 3. So what happens? So that implies the b is equal to minus 6 minus 5 by 3. So that is implies b is equal to minus 11 by 3. What is the b value is minus 11 by 3. So a value is the 5 by 6 and b value is minus 11 by 3. So after getting this, therefore 5x plus 2 you can written as 5x minus 2 you can written as a into this value. What is this value? 2 plus 6x plus b. 5x minus 2 is equal to a into 2 plus 6x plus b. That implies 5x minus 2 is equal to a value. A value is 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x plus b. B is nothing but minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3. So this is the condition. 5x minus 2 you can return in this form. Then automatically it is easy to integrate the function. That's why you are doing this one. Okay. So if you can convert into this model, then you can integrate the function easily. Okay. So that's why we are taking this form. So 5 by 6 is equal to 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3. So after getting this, therefore let I is equal to. So let I is equal to, what is the problem is integral 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. So this can be written as integral of 5x minus 2 you can return 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. So I can be written as, just I am changing the numerator and separate the terms. Therefore I is equal to, what is the I? 5 by 6 integral of 2 plus 6x by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx minus 11 by 3 into integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. So just I am separated the terms. So this model we are already did that one. So what is that? First you have to take, this is I1 and this is I2 and calculate that values. First what I will take that one, take this is the equation number 1. Take this is the equation number 1 and let I1 is equal to, what is the I1 value is integral of 2 plus 6x by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. So this one you have to simplify. Next, what is the next one is let I2 is equal to, what is the I2 is integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square into dx. This is the form you have to simplify. Okay. So first one is the easy one. What is that? So this is the 1 plus 2x plus 3x square derivative is in the numerator. Yes or no? So that's why what I will take that one. Put 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. 0 plus 2 into 1 plus, so you can return directly 2x plus 3x square derivative, 2 plus 6x into dx is equal to dt. So therefore I1 is equal to integral of 1 by t into dt. 2 plus 6x into dx, it will become dt. So this value is t. So what it will become? Integral of 1 by t into dt. Integral of 1 by t into dt. So integral of 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x is not log mod x. So that is nothing but log mod t plus c. So that is equal to log mod. What is the t value? T value is nothing but 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. I don't take the c value, I will take the c in the final answer. Okay, so log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, 3x square. So similarly this form, what do we have to do? That one, integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So that is model number 7 I am given. Integral of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c model is there. You have to convert the denominator in the form of x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square form. Okay, so the denominator you have to convert in the form of x square minus a square, x square plus a square or a square minus x square. Why? Because you have the formulas. Okay, so that's why you have to change the denominator. So how to change the denominator? I will take this value. Consider this 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. How can you change this one? First step, I am telling that you have to take the x square coefficient common. So what is the x square coefficient? Is here 3. So first you take the 3 common. So then the remaining term, it will become x square plus 2 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3. So just I am taking the 3 common. In the next step, what I am told that one, the coefficient of x, you have to multiply and divide with 2. Multiply and divide with 2. So already 2 is there. There is no need to multiply and divide. Already 2 is there. So that's why there is no need to multiply and divide with 2. If the 2 is not there, you have to multiply and divide with 2. Or understand that? So see that one carefully. So what is that? That is equal to 3 into x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 3. So there is no need to multiply here. Why? Because already 2 is there. So why you are multiplying with 2? You have to get the form 2ab. I understand that. So that's why you are multiplying and dividing with 2. If already 2 is there, there is no need to multiply. I understand that. So in the coefficient of x, if you have the 2, there is no need to multiply. If the x coefficient is not the 2, then you have to multiply and divide with 2. So the x coefficient already 2 is there, so there is no need to multiply and divide. So just take the 2x into the remaining term is the b. So it is in the form a square plus 2ab. I understand that. Plus 1 by 3. So observe these two terms, a square plus 2ab. So a square plus 2ab, you want to add plus b square. So what is that? 3 into x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 3 plus I will add 1 by 3 whole square. I am adding b square. If you are added, then you have to subtract also. So then you have to take the subtraction of 1 by 3 whole square plus already 1 by 3 is there. So that is equal to 3 into, so what is the first 3 terms are? What is the first 3 terms are? X plus 1 by 3 whole square. X plus 1 by 3 whole square. X plus 1 by 3 whole square. So x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus, what is this value is? This value is, see that one? 1 by 3, this is the 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. If you can take the 9 LCM here, what it will become? 3 minus 1. That is nothing but the 2 by 9. So if anyone have the doubt, take this value also. That is nothing but 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 9. This value is nothing but 2 by 9. How can you written this? This can be written as 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square, x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 9, root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3 whole square. root 2 by 3 whole square, root 2 by 3 whole square. So then take the problem here. So therefore I2 is equal to integral of 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 3 into dx. So this problem, so it is converted into the form of x square plus a square, x square plus a square. So for this one, what we will take that, put x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t. So what I am taking that, x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, 1 plus 1 by 3 derivative is 0 into dx is equal to dt. So that implies dx is equal to dt, therefore I2 is equal to, I2 is equal to integral of 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by t square plus root 2 by 3 whole square, is in the form of integral of 1 by x square plus a square into dx. So what is the formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, So take that one. So that is 1 by 3 into 1 by a. What is the 1 by a is? A value is root 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x. That is nothing but the t by a. A is nothing but root 2 by 3. Plus, I don't take the c value here. So here 3 will be cancelled and 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of what is the t value? T value is nothing but x plus 1 by 3. So you can take that x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of 1 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse of, take the LCM, 3x plus 1 by root 2. Why? Because 3x plus 1 by 3 root 2 by 3. 3 will be cancelled. You will get that 3x plus 1 by root 2. So after getting this, this is the I2 value. And already you know the I1 value also. I will substitute these two in the equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, I is equal to, what is the I? 5 by 6 into I1 minus 11 by 3 into I2. So that is equal to 5 by 6 into, what is the I1 value? I1 value is nothing but log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 into, what is this value? This value is nothing but 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. So the final answer is 5 by 6 log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. So see that question, students, important questions. So After taking the I am separated the terms. I am taking the two integrations here, I1 and I2. So what is the I1? First see this calculation part. I1 is equal to 2 plus 6x by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square derivative is 2 plus 6x. This derivative is 2 plus 6x. That's why I am using this form. Are understanding that? In that model you are converting. Okay. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to t. 2 plus 6x into dx value, it will become dt. So I1 is equal to integral of 1 by t into dt. Integral of 1 by x is a log mod x. So log t, log of mod t, that is nothing but log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Next I am going to take I2 value. What is the I2? I2 is nothing but I am taking this value. If any problem, that problem is nothing but is in the model of 7. So what is that? Integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. So these type of problems, what you have to take the denominator. In the first step you have to take the x square coefficient common. First take the 3 common. After then you have to multiply and divide with 2 the x coefficient. So but here already 2 is there. So the x coefficient already 2 is there. There is no need to multiply. I understand that already 2 is there. That is the 2 by 3 into x. Already 2 is there. There is no need to multiply. Just to separate the terms. You have to write in the form of 2ab. I understand that 2 into a value is x. The remaining value is b. The remaining value is b. So what is the remaining value is 1 by 3. Plus already 1 by 3 is there. Already 1 by 3 is there. So that is 1 by 3. Just you have to add and subtract that b square value. What is the b square value? B is nothing but 1 by 3. So you have to add and subtract the b square value. That is nothing but 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. Already 1 by 3 is there. Just remains the same. So after then a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It will become a plus b whole square. It will become a plus b whole square plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 9. So take this value. So 2 by 9 you can written as a root 2 by 3 whole square. Root 2 by 3 whole square. Therefore I2 value. What is the I2? Integral of 1 by. This value I am converting into 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 3 whole square. So root 2 by 3 whole square. I am taking this x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t. X plus 1 by 3 is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to t. So x derivative is 1, 1 by 3 derivative is 0 into dx is equal to dt. So that meaning is dx is equal to dt. And take the problem. I2 is equal to 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by t square plus root 2 by 3 whole square. So it is in the form of integral of 1 by x square plus a square. So that is the 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So here I am not going to use the c here. In the final answer you will write the c. Okay. So 1 by 3 into, so 1 by a. What is the a value? A value is root 2 by 3 into tan inverse of t by, that is x by a. T by a value is root 2 by 3. And t value is nothing but x plus 1 by 3. Just to replace the value, and 3 will be cancelled here. 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 whole by root 2 by 3. Take the 3 LCM, 3x plus 1 by 3 and root 2 by 3. 3 will be cancelled. You will get 3x plus 1 by root 2. After getting the I2 and I1 values, substitute in the equation 1. From 1, I is equal to, I can be written as 5 by 6 into I1 minus 11 by 3 into I2. Substitute these two answers in this one, you will get the final answer. What is that? 5 by 6 into log of mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. So see that question, students. So by seeing that problem is lengthy, if you can understand that, the problem is very easy. Okay. So practice that number of times, you will get that one. Okay. So see that question, students. Question number 19. So see the question number 19. So see that question, students. Integral of 6x plus 7 by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. 6x plus 7 by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. So see this question, students, how to solve that. So same model question. So first we have to identify that So let I is equal to, first take the problem as I. So let I is equal to integral of 6x plus 7 by root of, multiply these two students, what is that, x square minus 5 minus 9, that is nothing but minus 4, that is a minus 9x minus 5 into 4, that is nothing but plus 20 into dx. So this is the problem. Original problem is x square, that is the 6x plus 7 by x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So just multiply these two, you will get this value. Okay. So this is also in the same model. What is the model is that? So I am already given that integral of, it is in the form of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So the problem is same. So the model is same. So first what we have to take that 6x plus 7, first take, put 6x plus 7 is equal to a into derivative of denominator x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b plus 20 plus b. So that implies 6x plus 7 is equal to a into, what is the derivative is, x square derivative 2x minus 9 into x derivative 1 plus a constant is 0 plus b. 2x minus 9x derivative is 9 plus 20 derivative is 0. So that implies 6x plus 7 is equal to 2ax minus 9a plus b. So take the components here, compare x coefficients on both the sides. What you will get that? Compare the x coefficients. So 6 is equal to, x coefficient is 2a, so that implies a is equal to 3. A value is 3. So then take the, compare the constants. Compare constants. Compulsory practice the questions number of times, then only you will get the answers. Okay, so don't see that one after seeing that I am not understand the, don't do like that. So practice the questions. Okay, so if you can practice the 1 or 2 times or 3 times, then automatically you can understand that what we are doing. Okay, so compare the constants. What is the constants are here? So what is the constant is 7 is equal to, what is the constant in the RHS is minus 9a plus b. So that implies b is equal to 7 plus 9a. So that implies b is equal to 7 plus 9 into a value is 3. So that implies b is equal to 27 plus 7, that is nothing but a 34. B is equal to 34. Therefore, this 6x plus 7 you can written as a into 2x minus 9 plus b. So that is 6x plus 7 is equal to a value is a 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b is equal to 34. 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34. So let, already we are taken that, therefore I is equal to integral of 6x plus 7 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So that is equal to 6x plus 7 you can written as integral of 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Just to substitute this value and separate the terms. What is that? Therefore I is equal to 3 into integral of 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus 34 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So I am separated the terms. After separation of these terms, what we have to take? First take this is the I1 and take this is the I2 and take this is the equation number 1. So let I1 is equal to, what is that I1? Integral of 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx, and let I2 is equal to, what is the I2 value? Let I2 is equal to, I2 can be written as integral 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So after getting this I1 and I2 values, simplify this. So what I am observed that x square minus 9x plus 20 is 2x minus 9. Okay. So that's why what we will take that, put 2x minus 9 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. 2 into x derivative 1 minus 0 into dx is equal to dt. So that implies, so what you have to take, not the 2x minus 9, so what you have to take, the denominator, put x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to t. You have to take this value is a t. Differentiate with respect to t. X square derivative is 2x minus 9 plus 0 into dx is equal to dt. So that implies 2x minus 9 into dx is equal to dt. So therefore I1 is equal to integral of 1 by root t into dt. Integral of 1 by root t value is 2 root t. Don't take the c value. So 2 into root, what is the t value? T value is nothing but x square minus 9x plus 20. So this is the first part. I understand that. So integral of 1 by root t into dt. Integral of 1 by root t is nothing but a root 2 root t plus a c, but here we don't take the c value, we will take the c in the final answer. Okay. So see the I2 value. What is the I2 is? So it is important. So it is what is the model is this? This is the one more model. What is the model number? 8. Integral 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c. You have to convert the denominator as x square minus a square, x square plus a square, or a square minus x square. Same model. Okay. So see that one, how to convert this value is, first we will take that x square minus 9x plus 20. So how to simplify this? I am already told that one, just take the x square coefficient common, but here x square coefficient is not there. Next step, you have to multiply and divide with 2, the x term. So but here 2 is not there, so compulsory you have to multiply and divide with 2. So what we will do that one, x square minus 2 into x into 9 by 2 plus 20. So just I am multiplied and divide with 2. Just I am multiplied and divided with 2. So why I am multiplied and divided with 2? You will convert into the form of 2ab. 2a and b. What is the b value is? 9 by 2. So you have to add and subtract b square. Okay. So that meaning is you have to add x square minus 2 into x into 9 by 2 plus you have to add 9 by 2 whole square and you have to subtract 9 by 2 whole square plus 20. So the first three terms, it will become a minus b whole square formula, x minus 9 by 2 whole square, x minus 9 by 2 whole square, and this value, what is this value is? This is nothing but 20 minus 81 by 4. 20 minus 81 by 4. If you can take the LCM, 80 minus 81 by 4. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 4. That value is minus 1 by 4. So this value you can take it as minus 1 by 4. So that meaning is you can take it as x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. So that meaning is you can take that, therefore I2 you can written as integral of 1 by root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. So the denominator I am changing it as x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. But it is not the original form. So that's why this x minus 9 by 2 you can take as a t. Put x minus 9 by 2 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So what you will get that dx is equal to dt. That implies dx is equal to dt. So x minus 9 by 2 is equal to t. X derivative is 1. 9 by 2 derivative is 0. So dx will become dt. So substitute this value. Therefore I2 is equal to integral of 1 by root of this value is t. So you can take it as a t square minus 1 by 2 whole square, t square minus 1 by 2 whole square into dt. So what is this formula? Integral 1 by root of x square minus a square formula. Integral of 1 by x square minus a square formula is 1 by 2a root value actually. So that is nothing but log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Log mod x plus root of x square minus a square. So here what happens? So this value is nothing but log mod t plus root of t square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus c. So that is equal to log mod, what is the t? T is nothing but, what is the t value is? X minus 9 by 2. X minus 9 by 2 plus root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square plus c. So that is equal to log mod x minus 9 by 2 plus x minus 9 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 is nothing but, what is the value is? X square minus 9x plus 20. So you can replace this value, x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c plus c. So that is the log value. So therefore you can substitute in the equation 1. We can substitute this value in equation 1. Therefore, so I will written here, therefore from 1, therefore from 1, what is the equation 1 is? I is equal to 3 into I1 plus 34 into I2. What is the I value is? 3 into I1 plus 34 into I2. So that is equal to 3 into, what is the I1 value is? I1 value is 2 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into, what is the I2 value is? I2 value is nothing but log mod x minus 9 by 2 whole plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. So what is the final answer you can written as? That is equal to, you can multiply this 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into log mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. So that is the answer. So see that question, students, once again. So integral of 6x plus 7 by x minus 5 into x minus 4. Just multiply the term x square minus 9x plus 20. So after multiplication, just take the form px plus q is equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So after getting this, just compare the coefficients, x coefficient and the constants. You will get a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 34. So substitute this value 6x plus 7 you can written as 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34. Take the problem as I. 6x plus 7 when can be written as 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34. So separate the terms. So separate these two terms. What you will get that 3 into integral of 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So take this is the I1 and take this is the I2. So this is the one problem and that is also one problem actually. Or understand that? So this problem is nothing but actually 3 problems is there. So the 5 problem is the main problem is that this is the one problem and this is the one problem. Okay. So let I1 is equal to 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to t. So 2x minus 9 into dx value will become dt. So I1 is equal to integral of 1 by root t into dt. So 2 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 is the I1. Next I2. So it is in the form of 1 by integral 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c. So you can take this value as you have to convert x square minus a square or x square plus a square or a square minus x square. Convert that form. You will get x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So substitute in this I2. So after substitution, it is not in the original form actually. In the place of x, you have x minus 9 by 2. So that's why you are taking this value as a t. So if x minus 9 by 2 is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, then dx will become dt. Dx value will become dt. Automatically the independent variable changes to t. So you can change the word I2 is equal to integral of 1 by root of t square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So it is in the form original form, integral 1 by x square minus a square form. Log mod x plus root of t square minus 1 by 2 whole square. T value is nothing but x minus 9 by 2. Replace the value. So x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square value is nothing but x square minus 9x plus 20. So substitute this value here. After getting the I2 value, take the original problem. What is that? I. From 1, I is equal to 3 into I1 plus 34 into I2. 3 into I1 value is 2 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus I2 value 34 into I2 value log of x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Just to multiply that, you will get the answer. So see that question, students, and try the next questions. Try the question numbers 20, 21, 22, 23, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So try these 3 questions, otherwise I will tell you in the next class. Okay, so practice these questions first and try the questions. Okay, I will tell you in the next class. Okay, we'll continue in the next class.